gosh.
I know. You see that?
Yeah? Yeah?
Just waiting for Melanie. Just keep waiting.
I know.
She's a busy woman.
I know.
Any number? I got my number.
I'm 673.
I'm 68.
71.
32.
Oh, man.
32. So
You
did,
should be standing here.
did I get lucky? Are we coming in?
What's going on out there?
We're waiting for you.
We're waiting, all waiting for
Just call our
you.
next number.
The story of my life.
The story of our life.
Next.
Next, okay, I'm number
Okay,
68.
So I got 73. I'm number 73.
72. I think I was online first. I was waiting for a little while.
Start decorating
I got
for
a bunch of
Valentine's
people
Day.
in my
Have
office.
If you do this better, I have to send it for
I
Valentine's
think,
Day.
like I said, I was first.
What's his name?
Need to go to Woodland Hills.
I think Dawn's first.
All right. Mr.
Well,
Mayor, I have to call you back.
I think I'm first.
I got things to do. All right,
I
have a
need
happy
to
New
get
Year.
out of here.
And let's
Yeah.
get Ellie back
We all
on
have
track,
things to
all
do.
right?
Well, we gotta draw names.
I'm
So,
Well, I'm going to Woodland Hills.
What do we got
I need to
going?
go to
okay,
Woodland
I think
Hills.
Dawn's first.
I just
Johnny.
need help with the wine list, but we'll get to that. We have a lot of
I
wine.
think we're working on new
Next,
labels.
guys.
I'm next. I have a donation from Cal State Northridge for January 13th.
And
Next,
you know
I
what's
need
interesting about
I need
that?
the approval. I need the approval on this menu.
Elvin, thank you, Jeff.
checks for the rent, please.
These
Red
are not,
checks.
these are the charitable contribution checks.
Oh, I
that we
forgot the
write.
other folder. Let me get it for you.
Get the red check.
Well, Valentine's Day, when are we going to start decorating?
I
You
think
just
we
said
should
on the...
start
on the
February
first?
1st.
All right.
I think Valentine's Day we should be celebrating new love. Oh, wait a second.
Let's pick the winner.
Where'd everybody go?
You signed them off and they all
They all
left.
left. I guess they're working.
Okay, so 2 names, okay? 1 person, and they get to choose.
Pick the winners.
iPad Mini or Kindle Fire. Whatever you want to do. You're the boss.
Pick 2 names. I got 2 names here. I have Ileana and I have Alondra.
Woo!
So I have Alondra from downtown and Ileana from Encino.
Adeline will deliver them personally to your store.
I'm very excited about this. Congratulations.